OKCoin reports altcoins drove institutional interest in crypto for 2021. The recent purchasing behavior of institutional investors contrasts with that in 2020 and earlier, when institutions exclusively favored altcoins that were at least 4 years old, such as Ether and Litecoin. I think, that may be something we've underrated with Litecoin is its length, how long Litecoin is, how long it's been around. Because, I haven't really factored that into like why the bigger places like PayPal, Litecoin, but the tenure, I guess, the longevity of the project was a big factor in that. It makes sense. Let's see here. Specifically, they favored some younger coins, including Miami coin. Institutional investors investing in Miami coin.
Well, I would imagine a lot of like Miami, the city would count as an institutional investor, maybe.
Yeah.
So if they invested in Miami coin, that could throw the numbers off.
Probably so. Well, what's really interesting is I'm looking here, and you want to talk about some Cardano FUD. They're talking about Solana far exceeded that of Bitcoin and Ether. Over a week in September, institutional interest in Solana far exceeded Bitcoin and Ether.
Yeah, we covered that.
We did back in the day.
Yeah.
Right. Well, it still is. But Cardano is also getting a ton of institutional interest as well right now. Let's see if I can find that story. Here it is. The Daily Hodl. Solana and Cardano dominate as crypto sees largest weekly institutional inflows in history. Man, that makes me feel bullish.
Yeah.
Makes me feel bullish. Makes me feel $100,000 by November. By November. That's like a week.
Well,
probably
not.
The
end.
Probably not. But maybe by the end of November. $100,000 for Bitcoin. What did Plan B say for the next month? He said 87,000?
I think it was 90 something.
90,000?
Yeah.
Could be. Digital asset managers CoinShares says that last week the crypto market saw the biggest inflow of institutional capital ever recorded, shattered the record for a week. This is how you know this thing is about to blow. And Cardano is seriously undervalued. I agree.
It's going to rip.
Now, you love Cardano as well.
Mm-hmm.
That's one we do agree on.
Yeah.
100%. Digital asset investment products saw inflows last week totaling $1.47 billion, the largest on record by a significant margin. The biggest previous was February with about half that, less than half that, about 40% of that. CoinShares says Bitcoin accounted for the overwhelming majority, 99% of the inflows. But when it comes to altcoin, like look at this, we have Cardano to 5.3 and Solana to 8.1. So I wonder how much of this is the ETF. Would that be in there, you think?
I should be. Well, I guess it just depends on if they're.
I'm not sure because they're dollar.
Yeah.
Dollar. Plan B said 98 by end of November.
Yep.
Yeah. Well,
I did read that ETF in 2 days already got more investment than all the ones in Canada that have been around for a long time. Just flowed right in instantly. And backed shares are up like 200 something % at this point because of the MasterCard thing. It's crazy.
David Galbraith says, "Let's go Banks."
What? Wrong answer, buddy. No.
Let's go Banks.
Know the audience.
Well, the audience sure does love Banks.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Okay.